Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Let's go ahead and take a look at your assignments for the day, and then I have a few notes that I want to point out to you guys as well. Your science assignment for today. So today is Wednesday, May 6th. So we're going to be looking for the slides that have May 6th down in the corner. So yesterday you should have entered your results into the spreadsheet, answered some questions. All right, so day 3, May 6th today. You're going to read the next few slides and learn important vocabulary words, and then you're going to watch the video about traits. So a few pictures and vocabulary words that you're just going to read the definitions for, a few more vocabulary words, and then click this link right here to watch the video. All right, and that's all you have for today. So a few vocab words to learn, and then a video to watch. Writing assignment today is going to be the same. Work your way through some of these slides, read, and they all should tell you, okay, what you need to do on each slide. Make sure every time they have a type something here, you backspace all of that, and then you type your answer there, okay? So you want to be looking through the slides, making sure all of these spots that say type something here, you backspace those and you typed your answer there. All right, so my top 10, think about top 10 things we've done that have been your favorite this year, memories, activities we've done, and type them here into the list. We've had a lot of gold assemblies that were really fun. We did a few class activities in the classroom that were fun this year. So really try to think back on the year about what things were your favorite this year. Summer goals. What are some goals you have for this summer? Maybe you want to read 10 books. Maybe you want to be nicer to your brother or sister. Maybe you want to try to keep your room cleaned all summer. Maybe you want to try to help your mom and dad do the dishes this summer or do the laundry. Okay, what are some goals you have for yourself this summer? And things I love. Okay, you're going to insert pictures from the internet about things that you love right now. So then when you're looking back on this, when you're older, you can remind yourself, oh, when I was in 3rd grade, I really loved Pokemon, or I really loved Hearts, or I really loved this TV show. Okay, so what are some things you like? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you want to remember kind of 3rd grade by? And to insert a picture, you want to click Insert Image from the web. And then remember this box over here pops up and you just search for your image and then click on the one that you want. And you should have done this in Computers with Mr. Bindi before. Right, that is your writing assignment for today. Reading, grammar, and vocabulary. So Monday was reading and grammar. Yesterday was reading and vocabulary. Today is going to be reading and grammar again. Right, so we're going to be looking for the day 3 slides. All right, and here are day 3. So think back to what you've learned and read and heard in Keepers so far. Answer the questions over here. You should have found out that Kenyon kind of ran into a problem here. Then you're going to listen and to the end of the Keepers today. Answer these 3 questions about the ending. And then BrainPop video about verb tenses. So we have done verb tenses before. Okay, so BrainPop video, and then you're going to fill in this chart. So 4 slides for reading, grammar, and vocabulary today. Then I did, let's go into math. So Wednesday, going to be similar to what you did Monday and Tuesday. So these story problems, there's 3 of them here. They're broken up into kind of step 1, what would you do? Step 2, what would you do? And then your answer at the end over here. So go ahead and work your way through these. Step 1, then step 2, and then your answer. Watch the video to check your answers, and then play Prodigy for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Some of you I have noticed have 0 Prodigy minutes for the week, so that's telling me you're not completing your whole math assignment. Make sure you're getting onto Prodigy because I assigned 2-step story problems, so it's extra practice for you. Okay, so please make sure you're getting onto Prodigy and answering a few questions for that extra practice. And then I did add a math and grammar check for you guys today. So go ahead and click here. There's a verb quiz to take and then a multi-step math problem quiz to take as well. just to make sure you're kind of getting it, you're understanding verbs and multi-step problems. It's just a way for me to check to see how you're doing so far with that, with those 2 skills. I'm back. I'm not sure what happened there. Last couple things I want to point out to you, okay? I am going to be adding missing work PowerPoints to your Google Classroom today. That is going to be right up here at the top. So if you come in later today and there's a missing work assignment, click on that and open that Google slide, and there'll be links to some quizzes or assignments that I might be missing from you. So work your way through those, please. Okay? If you open up the Google slide and it's blank, then you are all caught up. So awesome job. Last announcement for today is the picture for math. It's kind of a tricky one today. Okay? So see if you can figure out what these symbols all equal from the answers over here. Then 2 things I want to point out. Notice there's 2 deer down here and there's 2 owls down here. So you're going to want to double what that picture means. Then we haven't done orders of operation yet, but you'll learn it tomorrow. When you see an equation that has an addition and multiplication symbol, you want to do the multiplication first. Okay? So notice that there's a double deer and a double owl. Then you're going to want to do the chicken times the owl multiplication first, then add the deer on at the end. Okay? So go ahead and do your best to try to figure out what this bottom equation means and type your answers in the comments below. The answer from yesterday was 20, and a few of you guys did type up 20 and solve that one, so awesome job. All right, so yeah, get through your work today. We'll have a Google Meet from 10 to noon today. Then I'm going into the classroom to pack up the classroom this afternoon, so I will not have time to do a Google Meet today, but I will be checking our Google Classroom if you have questions. So go ahead and type those in the stream if you have questions about assignments today. All right, let's have a great Wednesday, everybody.